This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at the Häagen-Dazs coffee ice cream. I bought this at my local Globus and I was very happy to see it because I've never tried this one in particular before. They have got quite a few different Häagen-Dazs and Ben & Jerry's flavors, but they are very hesitant to put more or different stuff on their freezer shelves than the stuff they already have. So yes, having something new is something truly fantastic for my local Globus. Pause if you want to take a look at the nutrition table right here, and the ingredients list right here, and right here, and right here. Everything has been in focus once at this point, I think. Yes, Häagen-Dazs coffee. There was a Häagen-Dazs coffee, maybe from the barista collection or whatever they used to have, that was requested by one of you many years ago, or maybe it was just the regular Häagen-Dazs coffee. I do not remember, but whatever it was, one coffee flavor is today going to be consumed by me. Let us take off this. Looks quite plain, yes, looks like a milk coffee. Scent-wise it is also smelling like a milk coffee with a very caramelly note to it. Reminds me of these iced coffees that you can get. There is one from Hochwald, the brand is called, here in Germany, that I really do like and I have to get every now and then to treat myself, even if there is no particular reason for me to treat myself. Let us slice this through. Oh my god, it's a bit difficult to actually slice through. Come on. Ah. But we're getting there. Let's see how much cardboard I will actually have on the spoon later. Okay, not very successful, but here we are. Whoops. Yeah, it seems to be very homogeneous ice cream, judging by the cross section here. Looks okay. Visually, though, nothing too fancy about it. I think I'm going to put this half here into the freezer, take out some of the paper that I have worked into it, and I'll be right back with you in just a second. Alright, I'm back at the desk, ready to jump into the tasting section of this video, of this review. Yes, it is interesting that there is no mix-in stuff here, nothing. Would have been nice to maybe have like chocolatey coffee beans in there. Fabrique dans notre usine en France. Don't speak French. Let me know what that means in English or in German, if you speak those two languages. Let's go for a taste test of these. That's interesting. There is a very distinct coffee flavor to it. It tastes like a milk coffee with a strong presence of actual coffee. Usually you have these coffee ice creams that have got sort of weird watered down flavors and odd aftertastes, but this one here actually tastes really good. Texture wise it's super smooth. It is as smooth as you can get ice cream, I guess. No iciness to it whatsoever, just perfectly smooth ice cream. Also very pleasant to work with the spoon here. Doesn't seem to melt too quickly, but quickly enough not to be a pain. No, I have to say, so far so good. I think since this is just one block now of ice cream, I'm going to make my way through this and let you know with a review sheet what I think about it. But as of right now, it tastes good. I've got nothing to complain about. No aftertaste. Very creamy, very smooth texture. Flavor is good. Yeah, tastes coffee-like with a decent pronounced note of caramel. Overall, very nice. Yeah. Alright, the consumption process is complete and we are ready to rate this with the review sheet. First impression wise, I'm giving 0.75 out of 1 available point, simply because the ice cream was looking good but didn't really smell as intense as I would have thought. In the end, that's not a big deal at all, but it's just something that could have been a bit more prominent. If you like a more plain sort of experience, first impression wise, you could definitely give this a 1 out of 1. I missed maybe a bit of coffee scent though, therefore just 0.75 out of 1 available point. Color wise, I'm giving 1 out of 1 available point because it looked good. It's just a solid coffee flavor ice cream, and it looked appropriately. Looks very much like the iced coffee that you can get from various different brands. I usually, as I say, go for the Hochwald one here in Germany. I can also take a look at that in the future. Let me know in the comment section if you are interested in me reviewing iced coffee, aside from Starbucks maybe, because I think those are the only ones that I have actually reviewed already. Consistency and texture wise, I'm giving 2 out of 2 available points. There is absolutely nothing to complain about here. This ice cream, consistency and texture wise, is perfect. It's just perfect. It's the perfect example of these American style ice creams in pints. A bit dense, yes, but that's just personal preference. The smoothness of this ice cream is fantastic though. It is as close to perfection as you can possibly get. Therefore, 2 out of 2 available points here. It is not necessarily an ice cream that I would like to consume all by itself, a whole pint of it. It's a bit boring. You might need a bit of, I don't know, diversity when it comes to textures to make this a bit more interesting. But as a base ice cream, as one component of maybe an ice cream dish, I guess what this is supposed to be like. As of that, it's perfect. Nothing to complain about. Taste-wise, I'm giving 4 out of 5 available points, simply because to me it could be a bit less caramel tasting. It reminds me, for me, it's just the iced coffee flavor that we have here. It could be a bit less sweet, in my opinion, but maybe that's also more personal preference that I'm putting into this here than I actually should. I'm kind of interested. If you have had this before, do you think it's too sweet? If it's not sweet enough, what do you think about the sweetness factor, the caramel note of this particular thing here? Because for me, it's quite sweet. Yes, it's like actual ice cream coffee, right? So it's supposed to be sweet, but it could be maybe a bit less sweet. I drink my coffee without sugar, just a dash of milk, so maybe that's just my dark soul speaking here, but yeah, a bit less sweetness would be fine for me. That being said, if you like sweet stuff, then this would be a 5 out of 5 again. So that's just personal preference. Whoops. Let's get back into that. Themalization wise, I'm giving 1 out of 1 available point because this has been coffee ice cream, coffee flavor ice cream here, the Häagen Dazs one, and it has been executed almost perfectly. I think an 8.75 out of 10 might even be an understatement. Personally, I would give this a 9.5 out of 10 or 9 out of 10 if I didn't use the review sheet, but we have it here in actual numbers with different sections, so it is still a very appropriate, accurate rating for what I think it should be rated as. Overall, very, very decent ice cream. I think you can use this as a fantastic base to make ice cream creations with. No aftertaste, bad aftertaste whatsoever. Lovely texture, just perfect. Overall, just a fantastic, fantastic ice cream, I have to say. Please ignore the mess there. I didn't take care of that when I had the time. Yes, I think an appropriate rating for the Häagen Dazs coffee ice cream, and I'm interested in what you think about this. It's interesting to see the whole thing. For me, that was actually a bit surprising to see the whole thing just being one thing, just this ice cream, coffee ice cream, and not just a thing with all sorts of swirls and mix-ins. Oh, I bumped my cheek into the camera handle here. tripod handle. Yeah, no mix-ins, nothing in here. That was quite surprising to me. But then again, this is, I guess, not supposed to be eaten all by itself, but maybe use it to create something unique every time you have this. So yeah, overall very decent ice cream. I think I'm done babbling now. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. If you've got a question or a video suggestion, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below as well. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then.